In this video, we go over the basic functions on your Ingenico terminal that would allow you to process a sale and a pre-authorization, void and refund transactions, and settle the batch. Let's start with a sale. The terminal will prompt, enter amount. Enter the amount. Press the green OK key and pass the terminal to the customer. The terminal will display the amount on the top of the screen and prompt for the card to be inserted into the chip reader. Your customers could all tap the card or use their smartphone or a smartwatch to pay for their purchases should you choose to enable contactless function on your terminal. Once the customer inserted their card, the terminal will prompt, enter PIN and OK. After entering the PIN and pressing OK, the terminal will connect to the host to complete the transaction. Once the transaction is complete, the terminal will give you an option to print a customer copy receipt. Press No if the customer doesn't want their copy, and Yes if they do. Now, what if you processed a wrong sale amount by mistake? You can avoid a wrong transaction on the same day before closing the batch. Press 6 for void. Enter a merchant password. The password is unique to every merchant, and press the green OK key. The terminal will prompt, Get last transaction. If the transaction you would like to void was the last one, press a key corresponding to Yes. If not, press Other and enter the record number from the original receipt. The terminal will now display the amount of the transaction in question. Press OK. The terminal will communicate to the host, display Approved, and print a receipt confirming that the transaction was indeed voided. If you can't void the transaction because the batch was already settled or the transaction didn't happen on the same day, press 3 for refund. The terminal will prompt you for your admin password. Key in the password and press OK. The terminal will then prompt invoice number and OK. Key in the invoice number of the original sale and press OK. If the invoice number of the original sale is not available, any value can be entered at this prompt. The terminal will prompt enter amount and OK. Key in the refund amount and press OK. The terminal prompts to insert the card. Once the refund is complete, the terminal will print the merchant receipt. Now let's go over settlement function, because if you don't settle the batch at the end of the day, you won't get the funds deposited into your bank account. Press 7 for settle. Key in the password and press OK. Choose one of the three options. 1. To settle credit card transactions only. 2. To settle debit transaction. And 3. To settle all. The terminal will now display the sale total. Press OK to confirm. The terminal will display refund total. Press OK to confirm. The terminal will display the net total. Press OK to confirm. The terminal will prompt totals match. Settle batch. Press F4 for yes. Next, the terminal will prompt print summary report. Select either yes or no. The terminal will show batch successful. You can then print a details report should you need it.